This is a raspberry lemon swirl snack cake, egg-free, dairy-free, nut-free, and it is so good. Let me show you how easy it is to make it. First, stir together your plant milk and your apple cider vinegar and just let that hang out for a couple of minutes while you get everything else ready. In a big bowl, whisk together your flour, your sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and then we're going to zest a lemon right into it. Give everything a good whisk so there are no lumps before we start adding the wet ingredients. Now we're going to add that buttermilk, some oil, some lemon juice and vanilla, and stir it together until just combined. Don't overmix, you'll be fine as long as you stop when you don't see dry flour anymore. As soon as this is mixed, we're going to pour the batter into a lined 8x8 pan and smooth out the top. Then just drop a few spoonfuls of raspberry jam across the surface. I used 2 regular spoons and didn't measure a thing. We're just going to swirl it in with a butter knife using loose figure 8 motions. You want to see ribbons of jam. You don't want to turn your cake batter pink, so don't go overboard. Then it goes into the oven at 350 degrees for about 28 to 34 minutes until a toothpick comes out mostly clean. A little jam on it is fine. Once it's baked, let it cool completely. I know, that's the hard part. And that's it. No glaze, no nothing. It's stunning on its own. Let me know if you make this one.